Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Crunchyroll. Again, you can also turn your phone, tablet, or computer off. Wait about 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Open Crunchyroll and check if premium works. And you can also go to App Store or Play Store, search for Crunchyroll and make sure the app is fully updated. Older version can cause premium features to stop working. If you are using VPN, proxy or ad blocker, turn it off. This can interfere with premium access and make Crunchyroll thinks you are on free account. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.